Please stand. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Join me in the Oklahoma flag salute. Ready, begin.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. All right, we are working on our behavior matrix. Today is hallway. Okay? So on cats, the see, care for others. In the hallway, use inside voices at appropriate times and respect the personal space of others. The A, act responsibly. Enter and exit in an orderly way. We talked about that this week multiple times. Actively listen and stay engaged. And the S, honor the speaker. This morning we had 2 5th graders up doing the flag salutes, and they were the speakers, weren't they? And to honor them is, were you quiet? Were you listening? And did you participate in what they said or asked you to do? Yeah, you did a good job. Honor the flag and honor the moment of silence, which we're getting ready to do. Ready? Begin. Thank you. For lunch today, it's Fiesta pizza, glazed carrots, corn, and mixed fruit. Helios, is he here? Oh, no. What? Oh, my God. Okay, well, if you come in, we'll catch his birthday. Okay, we have some celebrations. Is Zaire Pollard here? Yeah. I didn't even recognize him with his outfit put on there. Zaire has 75% total progress that he did and in Miss Ryan's class, Eva Garcia. She's here. She has 75% of her ST program completed. Congratulations, Eva. And in first grade, Dakota Moore. Is she here? She's not here. She hasn't been with us that long, and she has 25% of her ST progress done. And then for our library reading challenge, we have a student for level who has completed level 3, a bronze medal reader, Lily, in 2nd grade. Lily, how many points is the bronze level for 2nd grade? 60 points. Good job. All right, announcements. We're going to finish star testing, try to finish it up today. And on Stella, I'll say it again later. In our Her dad. Very good, Josiah. All right, question number 2. You got a 1 out of 50 chance to get this one right. What state does her dad live in? 1 out of 50 chance. What state does her dad live in?
Right here. Colorado, yes.
Colorado. Good job. All right, question number 3. Stella has trouble pronouncing words. When she says 3, it sounds like this. What word would it sound like? She can't say 3, she says this.
What do you think it is? You forgot. Douglas, what is it? Tree, yes.
Good, Douglas. Tree. Tree. She can't get that. Miss Carla, she can't get that.
She can't do her TH.
All right. Question number 4. What does the speech teacher give Stella if she were Carr? Oh, I think Miss Carla does this too.
What do we get?
What does the speech teacher give her if she works
No,
Carr?
not a president. A what? You don't know? What is it? No? What'd she give him? Who actually read it over here? What is it? No, not candy. Right here, Michael. Oh, sticker.
A